Ever wondered how some homes always seem to smell so inviting? It's not magic, it's just the right combination of simple techniques and habits. Today, we're delving into 10 tips that can help your home maintain that fresh, clean scent all day, every day. Tip number 1, regular cleaning. The first step to having a good-smelling home is to keep it clean. Dust, grime, and dirt can all contribute to a stale or unpleasant odor. So making a habit of regular cleaning is an absolute must. Number 2, use essential oils. Essential oils are a natural way to freshen up your living space. They come in a variety of scents, from calming lavender to energizing citrus. A few drops in a diffuser and your home will be filled with a pleasant aroma in no time. Tip 3, indoor plants. Not only do they purify the air, but certain plants like lavender, jasmine, and eucalyptus also give off a delightful scent that can waft through your home. Fourth on the list, open the windows. Sometimes the easiest way to get rid of a bad smell is to let in some fresh air. Opening your windows allows air to circulate and can quickly freshen up a stuffy room. Tip number 5, use scented candles. These are a fantastic way to add a cozy feel to your home while also infusing the air with a lovely scent. Coming in at number 6, baking soda. This kitchen staple is a natural deodorizer. A small bowl of baking soda in the fridge, bathroom, or any other problematic area can absorb unpleasant odors. Tip 7, regularly change bedding and towels. These items can absorb sweat and oils over time, leading to an unpleasant smell. Regular washing can keep them fresh and your home smelling great. 8th tip, keep your garbage can clean. Even when it's not full, a dirty garbage can can produce a nasty smell. Regularly cleaning it out can help prevent this. Tip number 9, cook at home. The smell of a home-cooked meal can do wonders for the overall scent of your home. And finally, tip number 10, use an air purifier. Air purifiers can help remove pollutants and allergens, leaving the air in your home cleaner and fresher. So there you have it, 10 simple tips to keep your home smelling great. Remember, a good-smelling home is a clean home. Regular cleaning using essential oils, indoor plants, opening windows, using scented candles, utilizing baking soda, changing bedding and towels regularly, keeping the garbage can clean, cooking at home, and using an air purifier are all steps in the right direction. Here's to a fresher, cleaner home.